Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with red calcite, the stone of enthusiasm. For those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are a practical way to start practicing with your gemstone, to sit with it, to notice its energy, its effect on you, to listen to the areas of your life that it could support, and then deciding if that's a gemstone you would like to work with more. That's the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life and how you can start manifesting transformation and change in your life. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of red calcite, then I'll link that in the eye above. In case you want to pause this video, go watch that one and get a little bit more detail about the supportive benefits of red calcite before we sit in the guided meditation. Now, if you do have a piece of red calcite, it's a good time to pause this video and go get that so you can have it near your meditation space. But you don't need a piece of red calcite to benefit from the guided meditation. You can picture a deep red crystal in your mind. And if any of the prompts that I bring up during the guided meditation really feel familiar to you or speak to you or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some red calcite and work with it some more. So the only other thing that you need before you start the guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, on a chair, or directly on the ground outside, as long as you are comfortable and can remain alert for about 10 minutes while we go through the guided meditation. So if you have your red calcite or you're ready to picture it in your mind, you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice how it feels to breathe right now in your body. To take in air and let it out. How does it feel in your body? And then bringing your attention to the rest of your body and notice if there's any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. Bringing your awareness to your heart center to see what emotions you might be feeling right now. And then bringing your attention to your mind and notice the state of your thoughts. Are they calm, busy, distracted? And we're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And drawing your attention down to those parts of your body that touch the cushion or the chair, the floor beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth. So you are perfectly supported and protected during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of red calcite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies from the gemstone today. And take a moment to feel the gemstone in your hand, to feel how much it weighs, to run your fingers over the surface to notice where it might be smooth, where it might be rough, if there's a chip. And take a minute to get to know your piece of red calcite. And if you don't have a piece, then imagining a deep red crystal in your mind. And then notice if anything has changed in your heart, your body, your mind since you picked up the red calcite. And then imagine you're sitting in a garden surrounded by bright red roses. And the beauty is all around you. And sit with this image of red calcite energy for a minute. Red calcite is the stone of enthusiasm. And as you sit or imagine the gemstone, then consider the following questions and how they may relate to your life right now. They may not, and that's okay. But do you feel you need a boost of energy during your days? Have you felt reluctant to start in on a project or to go work out? Does it feel hard to see the joy and the beauty in your days? Would you like to increase enthusiasm, excitement, and passion in your life? Have you been afraid of or avoiding trying something new? Red calcite supports us during all of these life situations. So if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart, your body, your mind. And we'll sit with that for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the red calcite stone. And notice if anything feels different about the way you feel about that situation as you hold or imagine the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the red calcite energy and release that scenario that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me to sit in meditation with red calcite. And I hope this was useful. And if you do feel like red calcite might be a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks, focusing on that situation that rises up for you so that you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone whenever you need them. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life. Knowing which life situations you would like support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them on a regular basis. Now, this will bring transformation and change into your life. And if you're new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So every week, you get an opportunity to discover new gemstones that can help you out in life. So if you've been watching my videos and you haven't yet subscribed and you like the channel, then please do subscribe so that you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.